Uploading the Outlook OST file to Office 365 is a time-consuming and laborious activity. It requires you to perform complicated manual steps. But, we bring you the most effective tool to restore the complete mailbox in a few simple steps. DRS OST to Office 365 migration tool is the best alternative to the complicated manual procedure. It efficiently exports the OST file to your Office 365 account so you can easily restore your mailbox data. Let us check all the prominent features of this software. You can add many OST files to the software as it can export multiple files simultaneously. You can also opt for the Select Folder option to migrate an entire folder. Using this feature, you can match a user mailbox with a particular OST file. The file mapping feature helps you define the restoration of OST file data to only a specific user mailbox. The Advanced OST to Office 365 migration tool allows you to restore your Office 365 mailbox without including any duplicate email. The Mail Filter and Task Filter option enable a date range filter to the selected mailbox. So, you can export emails of a specific date range and make a precise migration. You do not need to be a technical expert to perform the steps because of the interactive user interface. You can install the tool on your PC having any version of Windows. Before using the DRS OST to Office 365 migration tool, you must meet some requirements for effective OST to Office 365 migration. You must have an Office 365 account subscription plan and its admin access. After downloading the software, launch the tool as administrator. You must have a strong internet connection to access your Office 365 account and activate the premium version. Let us see how to restore Office 365 mailbox using the DRS OST to Office 365 migration tool. Download and install the software. Now, run it as administrator. Click on the Select Files button to add the desired OST files. Go to the location of the file and select it. Press the Open button to add a file. Similarly, you can add multiple OST files. Also, if you want to add a complete folder containing various OST files, click on the Select Folder option. Click on the Next button to proceed further. After that, you will see the mailbox preview in the left pane as a tree structure. Tick to the desired mailbox folder and press the Next button. Enter the Office 365 login credentials and tick the Assign Impersonation Right option to enable user mailbox access. Hit the Sign In button. You will see a list of all user mailboxes related to your Office 365 account. Choose mailbox accounts as per your requirement. If you have a list of all the user mailboxes as a CSV file, click on the Import CSV File button to upload the file containing user mailboxes. Now, click on the Next button to proceed further. In the next step, you need to map added OST files with user mailboxes. Choose a particular email account from the list for all files and click on the Next button. After that, select a particular mailbox type for each OST file that you have added. Proceed further by pressing the Next button. Tick the Remove Duplicate Mail on the basis of To, From, Subject, BCC, Body option to eliminate all the duplicate emails before data recovery. Opt for the Mail Filter option to enable a date range filter. Fill in the start date and end date to specify the date range. Similarly, select the Task Filter and assign the start date and end date. Now, you can save the resultant folder with any particular name using the Custom Folder Name option. Opt for the Restore to Default option for migrating the OST file content in the original location. At last, click on the Convert button to start the restoration of the Office 365 mailbox from the OST file. Now, the time taken to finish the OST to Office 365 migration depends upon the size of the OST file. After finishing the backup, click on the Download Report button to download a CSV file containing the conversion report.
Visit our website to download the software. If you have any queries related to the product, please contact us at the mentioned emails. Thanks for watching the video.